In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find transaction number on PayPal. If you need to locate a specific PayPal transaction number, also called the transaction ID, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. This number is useful when you need to track a payment, confirm details of a purchase, or provide proof of a transaction during a support request or dispute. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it in your PayPal account. First, locate the transaction you want to find the transaction number for. Before clicking anything, make sure you know roughly which payment you're looking for, such as the date, amount, or whether it was sent or received. That can make it much quicker to spot the correct entry, especially if you have a lot of recent account activity. To find the transaction, click Activity at the top of your PayPal account. This section shows your transaction history and is usually the easiest place to search through completed payments. You can also check your Home tab, where you'll often see a list of recent transactions displayed right on the main screen. If the transaction you need is recent, you may be able to select it directly from there without opening the full activity page. Once you see the transaction you're looking for, click on it to open the full details. This will bring up more information about that payment, including things like the payment status, date, amount, and the parties involved. In this details view, you should see the transaction ID listed clearly. That is the transaction number you're looking for. When you find the transaction ID, you can highlight it and click Copy if that option appears. If not, you can simply select the number manually and copy it from your device. It's a good idea to paste it somewhere safe if you need to send it to customer support or keep it for your records. Just make sure you only share it where necessary. And there you go. That's how to find the transaction number on PayPal. As a quick reminder, the key is to open the correct transaction first, then look for the transaction ID in the Details section. Once you know where to look, it's very easy to find again in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.